Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to talk to you about a stupid simple system that you can join for free, and it's all about affiliate marketing and begin to make about $300 a week starting just today, or even $300 per day. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right on in it here and get started. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner here with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, reach down there right now while we're talking about it, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel for you guys. Alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get started right in on this. We're going to come over here to a friend of mine has a program here. In fact, I told you I was going to talk to you about a stupid simple system, right? Well, in fact, that's what it's called, and you can join it for free. It's free to join up with this and make money online, and I just joined this today, and I'm looking forward to getting started with it myself right here, and I wanted to share it with you guys. As you can see, it's free to join here, and it works under the Warrior Plus network, so it's based out of warriorplus.com, and it's free to join this here, and you can get started making money online with this here today with the guy's name. This guy is LJ Aviles is his name, and he also sells solo ad traffic, has created this system that allows people to make money even for free, and there are upsells in this too if you want to scale your business up. But just with the free system alone here, you can make in affiliate, this is all affiliate marketing, you can make up to about $300 per day and possibly even more here. It's free to join. It says, let me help you make money online and make commissions like this. Join for free right now. And then down here you can see some of the money that other people have made with this system so far, and the free system. And you can see, like I said here, you can make up to about $300 even in one day, as well as per week possibly. And you can see even in 7 days you can make about $1,800 here, and then other weeks here it shows you money that people have made with this stupid simple free affiliate marketing system that I'm showing you here. So it says here's how it works. Pretty simple. Just step one, you're going to grab your free affiliate link, and then you can send traffic, and then you get paid on your referrals, upgrades, and traffic investments. And so you can click here to join as well, which I'll have the link for this stupid simple system right there in the top of my description if you guys want to check that out. Just click that link and you come over here and see this page right here and get signed up for free and get your affiliate link to this and begin to make some pretty good money for yourself. When you get joined up, it'll bring you over here to this site right here. You get your link. It says, welcome to the stupid simple system. There's a video from LJ Aviles right here. It'll tell you a little bit more about it and how to get started. You can get your affiliate link right here from Warrior Plus. Like I said, he does solo ads. Click here to buy LJ solo ads traffic. You can get solo ads from them, and there's also a free traffic system strategy here too if you would rather just promote it for free. He teaches you how to do this pretty effectively doing the free method as well. Other things here, you can watch a free webinar teaching you how to get up to $2,000 cash payments sent to you on complete autopilot here. And there's an upgrade to the VIP for advanced training and bonuses, and another upgrade here, high ticket takeover, to add a high ticket income stream to your network or your business. And then you can join the elite package that he has and earn 100% commissions on all the products in the stupid simple system, okay, or program that he has set up. And then you can access all of your upgrades that you happen to purchase here if you want to do that. But it's not necessary to do that to make money with this system unless you want to. All the upgrades are just to help you to scale, to be able to scale your affiliate marketing business up a little bit higher. But if you just want to stay with the free system and make some money first, you can simply do that easy enough with just by promoting your affiliate link here with the stupid simple system here. And also here is tells a little bit about his solo traffic that he had. There's a video with him here telling you about the solo traffic ads that he has, the most reliable traffic source. And there are lots of testimonies that he also has, and it shows his solo ad packages here. You can get 100 clicks of tier 1 traffic for $90, and then it goes up 300 clicks for $259, 500 clicks, and so on to drive traffic to your stupid simple system affiliate links. if you want to purchase traffic rather than doing the free, which I showed you over here. Yeah, you can do it. He's got a really good free traffic strategy training right here that he'll talk to you about, that you can use as well if you didn't want to buy or spend any money to buy solo ads for your affiliate marketing business. So it's your choice on that completely. Send traffic and so on, and it talks about here, come back here, I was in the wrong page there. Come back to the solo ad traffic, and he gets bonuses if you buy any of the traffic packages, which they have cheaper ones down here. Here's at $70 for 100 clicks on tier 1, and package as well too. And this is all purchased through Warrior Plus, the Warrior Plus platform. And you can get these exclusive bonuses with any solo ad package. Free complimentary vacation stay of your choice. That's a $1,500 value, and you can stay up to 7 nights at the location of your choice from over a dozen destinations. Bonus 2 is a free ebook on how to write emails that convert, because if you do any of this when somebody signs up for your Stupid Simple System affiliate through your link, their email address will get put into LJ's autoresponder, and he continues to market that too, as well as you can get the email address if you have a landing page that you create for this particular Stupid Simple System here, and you can collect email addresses as well. So he'll be marketing to your contacts for you, as well as you can market to your contacts through your own autoresponder system. And then also a bonus 3 here is free access to LJ Avila's Inner Circle VIP coaching group, and exclusive access to his coaching group so we can work closer to help you get long-term results. And then, like I said, there's cheaper packages here for traffic on solo ads, and exclusive bonuses. Again, the same thing, free vacation, and that alone, that free vacation, that's pretty amazing. $1,500, you can take your family on a 7-night free complimentary vacation he said in the video, he talks about there's about 12 different destinations that you can choose from, that you may like to go to and take your family on vacation, and a free ebook and so on and so forth. Talks a little bit about what solo ads are here, what are the benefits of solo ads, and which offers convert best, and what kind of results can you expect, and why do I need LJ. Of course, he's talking about his solo ads, and then personal sales results from his email list that he has emailed to with his solo ads, and so on. And then there's also solo ads client testimonies here with other people that have worked with LJ Avilas on his Stupid Simple System here and used his solo ad traffic here. There's quite a few testimonies here, and you can see more other testimonies here where it talks about people that have gotten sales. Here, this guy right here, Ace Rich, says he's had 3 sales on a $100 order of solo ad. That's pretty doggone good. That's about 3%, which is the industry average on cold traffic, is about 1 to 3% on cold traffic. So he actually hit 3% there on that of sales out of 100 clicks, but he actually received, he paid for 100, and as you can see here, he received 175 clicks to his order that he purchased. And then another here, this guy had 2 sales, you see right here, on a 100 click package, and he got 25% over delivery. Most of the time, solo ad traffic sellers will give you way over what you order. That's just kind of a bonus that they give you. You can see here that other testimonies, so apparently this guy's pretty good. I can't wait to check it out. I'm going to try this myself here and buy one of these packages myself and see what results I get with that too. But then there's frequently asked questions down here that you guys can check out and so on about the solo ads packages that he has, and then these are the same things again, going back over it again. And you can also get in contact with LJ here, and here he's known as a life coach is what he calls himself. The testimonies, I've watched these testimonies, and they are pretty good testimonies about people that have worked with LJ over the last several years. He's been an affiliate marketer for quite a few years, about 7 years, I think I heard him say on one of the videos I was watching about him. So you guys can come over here and check this out. This is a video I had for you today. If you want to check out the Stupid Simple System click the link down there in the top of my description for it. It's free to join and get started today, and you can make about $300 in one day's time just with the free alone. But of course, if you want to upgrade, those packages are available that you can check out as well on your own. Guys, if you like this video here about affiliate marketing and how you can get started with a stupid simple system for free, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there below. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended way to make money online in my affiliate marketing business, click the link down there in the description as well. You see it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check that out through my funnel and see what's available for you there as well. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.